What's up guys? It's been a minute since we've made a quick microwave dessert recipe. So today we're gonna make a protein bread pudding in 2 minutes or less with ingredients you might already have on hand. So let's jump right into it. If you want more quick desserts like this one, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Start this one with either a small mixing bowl or, to make it even easier, a shaker bottle. Add into whatever you're using half a cup of milk or milk substitute and 1 scoop of protein powder. I went vanilla today, but chocolate or really any other flavor will work good as long as it tastes good. I'll put some other combinations on the website along with metric conversions for every ingredient, which is always linked up here or below in the description. Give those 2 ingredients a mix or shake. Continue by adding in 1 tablespoon of a sweetener, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, pinch of salt, 1 large whole egg, and 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Mix or shake those until smooth. Now take out some bread and cut it up into pieces like this. I almost always go with 2 of these Hawaiian rolls. Add your pieces of bread into at least a 1.5 cup microwave safe bowl and pour your mix over them. Press your bread down a bit so everything is as submerged as possible. Top it with a little nutmeg and toss it in the microwave for around 90 seconds to 2 minutes, depending on how powerful your microwave is. In the end, it should look like this. Couple tips for this one. Number 1, add into this whatever you want for flavor or texture. Chocolate chips, raisins, nuts, and so on. Number 2, it tastes just as good, if not better cold, so make it with your meal prep, toss it in the fridge, and eat it later that day. And number 3, top it with a high protein Greek yogurt or protein frosting to level up the macros even more. I'll drop a link to my favorite frosting recipe below. The winner of our last Testing Your Guesstimating was, bang! Congrats to you. For this week's Testing Your Guesstimating, we're gonna go with this many pieces of bread. Guess how much you think this weighs in grams. The first one closest to it will win a shirt or shaker. 1 guess per person. With that said, thank you all for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for more quick recipe ideas like this one. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a recipe or all of my hand movements. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.